The command bar will always appear at the top of the screen. To move the bar, click anywhere on the gray background and drag to your desired position. The bar controls how you use the screen as a whole. The screen will respond like a large tablet. Simply touch like you would click a mouse to open and present software, like PowerPoint or Word. In a PowerPoint, swipe the screen to move forward or backward through slides. Or use the up and down arrow in the Presentation Mode mini toolbar. Expand this toolbar to find pens, colors, and eraser tools to draw or write on the diagrams in your PowerPoint slides. At the end of the presentation, save the annotations and share the annotated slides with your students by uploading them to Econestoga. The remaining command toolbar buttons are collapse or expand the toolbar, a home button, a save button to save a screenshot of your desktop, up and down scrolling buttons, additional tools like zoom, settings, right-click functions, and connect to a document camera. This feature is not typically used in Conestoga classrooms. Whiteboard mode works as a blank digital whiteboard. You can add pictures, write, or draw on a blank canvas. To identify what mode you're in, the box will appear blue. While in whiteboard mode, you can have up to 5 points of contact on the screen. Use the whiteboard to write and solve equations, draw diagrams, or add images and annotate on top of them. The toolbar buttons are a home button, a new page button to give you a new whiteboard to work on, an open file button if you have a pre-prepared whiteboard to work with, and a save button. Use this to save a PDF copy of the whiteboard pages you have created. Later, upload these to Econestoga for your students to review. Continuing, there is a sidebar button letting you see a sidebar with all of the whiteboard pages you have created. Using the next few buttons, you can easily add new pages, duplicate or delete pages, and scroll up and down. Explore the additional tools to do things like zoom, change the background color or pattern, or paste in a screenshot. Remember, classrooms do not use the document camera feature found here. You can switch from whiteboard mode to PC mode without losing any of your work in either area. Remember, when you switch modes, the cursor will still be in the pen mode. Choose the mouse button in the annotation bar to interact with the screen again. You have successfully used the command bar.